Homestead know-how, life is good. Here's the dust bath that we made. Look here, it's over there, peeking through it. Watch them, guys. Tell you what, we're just gonna kill the tractor right here. I'm gonna hop off. We're just gonna watch the girls for a second. Alright, let's just watch them. See, they'll dig through and they'll get any bugs or larvae or any egg, you know, stuff like that. They like it. Look at them. They'll dig around in it, kick it up. See, now you could take a chicken tractor, and if you tilled up a spot, you could start that chicken tractor at one end, say this garden right here. You could till it. You could start that, say you tilled it, say this coming fall. You start that chicken tractor at the end of that garden. Run them all the way down, change it each day. Move over, run it all the way down. Or if you had a couple, you could run them one, you know. And then by the time they get to the end, you could run them back down. You know, you move them and then run them back. You know, you can do it twice. And they're gonna get, that garden is gonna get so much fertilization from the poop and stuff from the chickens. And then the next year, coming around, when you till it again, it'll till all that nutrients and you'll have a really good garden, because by that time the manure or the feces or whatever you want to call it from the hens is going to be broke down, and it's going to be basically turned into nutrients and compost in the garden that you tilled, getting it ready for the next year. All right, another tip that I learned from an old guy, he said if you till it in the fall, if there's big clods and stuff, when it snows or if it freezes, rains and freezes, it'll bust those clods up. When they get filled with water and it freezes those clods, they'll bust. Now, I've done that before. I've never really tested to see if it works, but that's what I've heard. So these are all ways that you can make it easier. Look, scratching, watch them, look at them. And they're eating it up. I could probably till this whole thing and they'd be just hog happy, you know? Hey, that might be something to think about, guys. You got a small tiller, you could go in and till, say, a 4 foot by 4 foot section a day. You know, let them dig away at it. Go the next day, till another 4 foot section. Let them dig away at it. I mean, look at them. This is happy hens, baby. Happy hens. Happy hens lay happy eggs. Happy eggs make for happy breakfasts. Breakfasts, is that a word? Breakfasts, whatever. Anyways. My point is, you take care of your hens and they'll take care of you. All right, you take care of any animals you got, they'll take care of you. Cows, goats, hens, dogs, whatever it is, you take care of it, they'll take care of you. All right, so this is our dust bath area. Of course, right now they're digging through it and finding what they want. And we did that with the tiller on the tractor. All right, homestead know-how, life is good. Get out there, get some dirt on your fingers, plant some seeds, get some chickens. Let's get back to nature and back to how it was intended to be, making food and raising food for ourselves. All right, guys, less chemicals, less harm to our bodies, more time at home. And if you're doing stuff like this, you don't need a gym membership. If you're out here messing with your hens and your animals and garden and your land, you don't need a gym membership. Another good thing about this is if you get in bed early, you get up early, you get more of a day. And it'll make you, I think I read a scientific study that actually said if you get up and get out first thing in the morning when the sun's coming up, it actually improves your day. And they've also said that your whatever you put in your belly, not necessarily breakfast, but the first meal that you eat, whatever it is, will determine how your outcome will be for the day. So it can change your mood, it can change your if you're sleepy, it can change your, you know, just all kinds of different stuff, how you act toward people, so many things. So if you eat a healthy breakfast, get some greens in there, get some fresh eggs, you know, even some farm-raised bacon, some more your organic stuff, it's going to make for a good day. All right, may take a little while. Get your fruits, your vegetables, your green leafy stuff, get some farm-raised eggs, some farm-raised chicken, you know, hogs, all that good stuff, and it'll make your life a lot better. Homestead know-how, life is good. Like, share, subscribe. Hey guys, if you subscribe, make sure that it's not private. That way I can see who you are and I can make comments. And if you're on YouTube, I can find you, you know, and I can look at your videos and subscribe. And, you know, we can just build off each other. All right, guys, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Y'all have a blessed one.